Welcome to Aftech Trades. Are you ready to dive into the world of Forex trading and boost your success in 2024? In this video, we will uncover the ultimate trading strategy specifically designed for beginners. Whether you are just starting or looking to refine your skills, these powerful techniques will help you navigate the Forex market with confidence. So grab a notebook and stay tuned. Your journey to becoming a successful Forex trader starts now. Now read our disclaimer message before we go further. Welcome back. So I'll try as much as I can to make this video very short. So as a beginner trader, the first thing you might want to do is to identify the kind of trader you are and what suits you the most. What suits your trading styles? Are you a scalper? What I mean by scalper is if you don't stay long in the market, you trade very short in a short period and take out your profit within some minutes or some seconds, right? Or check it out. Are you a day trader? Are you a swing trader? Right? Some day traders can hold the trade for some minutes to hours, but what they try to do is that they make sure they close the trade that very day. They don't stay beyond that day, except otherwise, right? So, or are you a swing trader in the sense that you hold the trade for weeks, days, weeks, months, and even months, some even up to a year. So depending on the kind of trader you are, check within yourself what kind of trader are you. That's the first step to take. Identify the kind of trader you are before anything. Because you see a lot of people just trading, newbies just trading, they don't know their category. They don't know the kind of traders they still use. They end up losing a lot of money, right? So let's move to our next point. So another important thing is that as a beginner trader, you need to always follow the trend, right? Like the popular saying goes, the trend is your friend. Let the trend be your friend. Always follow the trend. Once you get into your charts, the first thing you will do is to check the trend, right? Go to a higher time frame, let's say from a daily or weekly. You can even start from the weekly time frame to see how the market is reacting, right? So if, for example, if you can see now we are on the weekly time frame and using your trend line, you can see that this market has been in a downtrend. It shows that the major trend is a downtrend, right? And now you can now step down to the daily time frame to see how the market is reacting on the daily time frame. Still on the daily time frame, it shows that the major trend is a downtrend. Remember I told you that you should know the kind of trader you are. Why? Because knowing the kind of trader you are plays a vital role in trading, right? So after analyzing the major trend and stepping down to lower time frames to see how the market is reacting there, that will give you the idea on what to do in the market, right? If you're a scalper, you know exactly what to do. If you're a day trader, you know what to do. And if you're a swing trader, you know what to do, right? So as a scalper, you might want to take your trades from the 5-minute time frame or even 1-minute time frame, as the case may be. But I advise you to just stick from the 5-minute time frame. It's better because the noise in 1-minute time frame is much. Except those who are professional traders can use it as entry triggers to know when to enter their market or when to exit their market. Or you can use the 15-minute time frame also to take your entries, putting in mind that you're entering the trade the right time, right? After analyzing the market, knowing the major trend of the market, that okay, now we have checked the market and the major trend is a downtrend. It doesn't mean that because yes, the major trend is a downtrend, I want to enter this trade anywhere or anyhow. No, you get that. This would take us to our next strategy, using a trend line. For example, if you have used your trend line, let's say from the 4-hour time frame, we have our trend line there. Yes, we have our trend line here from the 4-hour time frame or the daily time frame. For example, you see our trend line on the daily time frame. So because the major trend is a downtrend, doesn't mean you should enter this market right here. If you don't have good capital, the market might take you out. This might take you out of the market. You get? So it doesn't mean you should enter the trade around the side. So you need to be very careful if you want to enter the trade. Yes, the major trend is a downtrend. If you have a good capital, you can take the trade just anywhere, right? But if you don't have a good capital, it is advisable for you to use your trend lines as one of your strategy, your top strategies in taking your entries. You see, once the market bounced to this side and didn't break out of this place, we know we are taking a sell right from this side and it will come down, right? Likewise here the market didn't touch, here it didn't touch the trend line, right? So here it touches the trend line, it means we are taking a short position right from the side. So if you're a scalper and you step down to a lower time frame, if you're a scalper, you step down to a lower time frame, you might wanna check the market very well, because there was a news around the side. Though the market is not really straightforward. What you do is that if you see that you don't really understand what is going on in the market, don't take the trade. Avoid the market totally. Just stay out of the market. There is always an opportunity for you. Wait. Once you see an opportunity, then you take the market. And this is why you need strategies in trading. We have so many strategies in trading. This is why you need a strategy in trading. Let's say, for example, you are using the breakout strategy. If you're not using a trend line strategy, for example, you're using the breakout strategy. You will wait for a breakout only where you see a clear sign that, okay, there's a breakout in your zone. That is where, and a retest. Most of the time, we advise to wait for a retest after a breakout. I have done a video on that on this channel. You can just scroll to this channel and check the breakout strategy. If you want the trend line strategy, I also did a video on that. You can just scroll through this channel and check for the breakout and the trend line strategy. I also did a video. We also have a support and resistance strategy. I don't want this video to be too lengthy. We also have a support and resistance strategy. You can also check our channel. I also did a video on that. So look at the strategies. We have different strategies. Look at the strategies that and learn the strategy. Look at the one that suits your trading style most. Try it on your demo account. If the strategy is what like, let's say 80 to even 70% win rate, that strategy is good, right? That strategy is good. You can stick to that particular strategy. That doesn't mean you shouldn't learn other strategies. Learn other strategies to diversify your trading skills. But also, if you see a strategy that works perfect for you, you can stick to that particular strategy. We also have the chart pattern and the candlestick strategy and trading strategy. You can also check that on this channel, where you use the chart patterns to trade as a trading style. right? We have the fundamental analysis where you study the economic situations. There are traders that have fundamental analysis. They use the fundamental analysis method to trade. There are traders that use technical analysis, which involve traders that always analyze the historical price behavior, right? So you need to check and see which particular side you fall into. Then you stick to that strategy. You stick solely to that strategy, right? So like I said, I don't want this video to be too lengthy. So and I can see we are almost above 10 minutes now. So all the videos I mentioned, I will drop the links in the description of this video, or I'll tag it on the comment section so you can go watch them to help you. I believe with these few points, you will be able to pick one or two things to get you started as a Forex trader. So thank you. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in our next video.